Alright guys, how to create your own YouTube channel in 2025, the step-by-step guide. First of all, did you want to share your passion to the world and build a YouTube channel from scratch, whether you're dreaming of becoming a content creator or you just want a place where you can just upload your video? Well, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your YouTube channel from scratch to finish. Stick to this video so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, now this is where you start using your Chrome. Let's click on the Chrome right now to get started. As you can see, you just typed in YouTube, www.youtube.com. The YouTube tab is already there, so you just click it. Then you sign in with your Google account. For those that don't have a Google account, you sign and create one. But yeah, I have. As you can see, this end, create channel. This is where you click on create channel. So let's go. Here's where you input your business name. I mean, if you want to use your name, you do that. But this is where you do that. Then once you're done with that, as for me, I'm not using this Gmail, so I have to go back to my own channel. Now let's do that. This is my own channel. There's no need creating. So once you're done with that, you've created your own. Now let's click on view channel. Yeah, this is my channel. Then you click on customize. Yes, this is where the work are mainly done. In this place you can add your links, both your description, first impression matters. You do everything here in this place. This is where you add your description. If you want to add link, this is where you do that. Link to social media and the rest. You upload your profile picture. Yes, this is the place for link. So you add your link, and that is it. Okay, so once you're done with everything, you can proceed to the next one. But since we are not doing that now, we'll go on uploading a file. Yes, you click on file, select the video. Let's just do that for this. Now this place is where you input your title. I don't have any title. Let's see, 5 steps to grow a YouTube channel. Let's go with that. Then the description of the video, this also matters, so please make your description very, very, very catchy, clean and catchy. Okay, let's write it now. Right. Okay, we're done with that. Now in this place, this is where you add your tags. Okay, so yeah. All right, this is where you add your tags and the rest. So once we are done with that, you click, well, let's say, click on next. Yes, click any of these. This is what they are saying. If it's for children, you click either of it and continue. Now this place is where you add relevant link, but if you don't have any, you can proceed to the next one. Now there's a next here. You just click on it. Right, this icon here, you just have to choose your public. Choose public. Right, choose public on it. Then you click on next. Yes, I mean, we are not publishing any video right now, so we just have to cancel. Alright, let's sort this out. Just wait a few moments. Yes, and that is it. Well, yes, click on next here, as you can see. Once you're done with that, you publish. Here it's showing publish, but for the sake of this video, we are not publishing this, so we just have to cancel it, and that's it. Your YouTube channel is ready. Wow, and that's it. You now have your own YouTube channel. If this is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your channel name. I would love to check it out.